So first of all, let's create an HTML file inside this folder. In order to do so, I right click on this folder and I click on new file because I want to create a new file inside that folder. And here I simply type index.html and I press enter. And as you can see, this is our index.html file. And also there are some naming conventions, some best practices for naming these files. For example, one of them is trying to use lowercase for these names, and also the second one is to not use spaces, but you can use hyphens. So in order to start coding our HTML file, first of all, I want to create a tag, which is called HTML. So I simply type HTML, and after typing it, I press tab on my keyboard. And as you can see, this is the HTML tag, and this is the closing HTML tag. And as you can see, each of these tags has these kinds of symbols. Less than sign and this greater than sign. So this is the opening tag, and for the closing tag, as you can see, we have slash as well. Anyway, so this is an HTML tag, and here I press enter, and from now on, whatever we want to put inside this page is going to go between these two opening and closing HTML tags. And inside this HTML tag, we want to have two other tags. The first one is the head tag, and after typing it, I press tab on my keyboard, and as you can see, this is the opening head tag and this is the closing head tag, and I press enter. And here we should put some stuff, some metadata and all of those things, which we will talk about it later on, but not now. But anyway, this part, whatever you put inside this part, whatever you put between these two opening and closing head tags are not going to be shown on the page itself. But for example, some search engines are going to use this kind of metadata, and also we will put other things other than metadata inside this head section, which I will talk about it later on. But remember that inside this HTML, usually we put a head tag, so that's it. And also we will put a body tag as well. So let's do that. So I simply type body, and after that, after typing it, I press tab on my keyboard. And actually, we are going to put the stuff we want to see on the page between these two opening and closing body tags. That's it. And also for readability purposes, let's put our cursor here and let's press enter so that we can kind of separate these two tags. The head and the body section. It is not necessary, but I myself prefer to do so because I want to make the code more readable. And in the next video of this playlist, we're going to continue this code and we are going to add some headers. By the way, this was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of HTML, and you can find a link to that playlist in the description below. And also we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.